Why does modern warfare technology matter? It's a question that underlies the constant, relentless pursuit of innovation and improvement in military capabilities worldwide. Take, for instance, the Shahpar 2 drone, a military marvel from Pakistan. This remarkable machine is a testament to the power of technology in reshaping the face of warfare. Born out of Pakistan's need for a robust, resilient, and versatile unmanned aerial system, the Shahpar 2 drone came into existence. It was developed specifically for military applications, designed to adapt to challenging environments and high-threat scenarios. The Shahpar 2 is not just a drone, it's a sophisticated fusion of surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition systems, making it an indispensable asset for the Pakistan Armed Forces. Its surveillance and reconnaissance systems are nothing short of state-of-the-art. High-resolution cameras, infrared sensors, and electronic warfare suites give it the eyes and ears it needs to provide real-time situational awareness and intelligence. Whether it's tracking enemy movements, patrolling borders, or aiding ground forces, the Shahpar 2 is always there, always vigilant. But what truly sets the Shahpar 2 apart is its impressive endurance and operational range. Its engine, reliable and efficient, allows it to linger over target areas for extended periods, gathering critical intelligence and surveillance data. This ability to persist, to keep watch, is invaluable in counterinsurgency operations, where constant surveillance is vital to identifying and neutralizing threats. And with its capacity to operate at high altitudes and in adverse weather, the Shahpar 2 proves its versatility and effectiveness in a variety of operational environments. However, the Shahpar 2 is not just a watcher, it's also a hunter. With advanced targeting systems, it can identify and track enemy assets with impressive accuracy. This capability facilitates precision strikes, minimizing collateral damage and ensuring the success of military operations. Whether it's supporting ground forces or conducting independent strike missions, the Shahpar 2 is there, ensuring success while minimizing risk. The Shahpar 2 drone is a powerful symbol of Pakistan's commitment to enhancing its military capabilities through homegrown innovation. It stands as a testament to the country's growing prowess in the field of unmanned aerial systems, further cementing its position on the global defense stage. With its advanced surveillance, reconnaissance, and target acquisition capabilities, it provides the Pakistan Armed Forces with a potent tool for enhancing situational awareness and operational effectiveness on the battlefield. As Pakistan continues to invest in indigenous defense technologies, the Shahpar 2 serves as a shining beacon of the country's military might and technological ingenuity.